Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today, once again, we are going to talk about another AI invention. As we know that AI is creating wonders every day. So today, once again, we are going to discuss a new topic. So if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so you will never miss any new AI update. Today, we are going to talk about Alibaba's AI smart glasses. Imagine putting on a pair of glasses and suddenly you can see translations in real time, get instant shopping assistance, or even recognize products just by looking at them. It sounds interesting, right? But here is the twist. Behind all this AI magic is not just algos, but humans that are guiding, correcting, and teaching the system. Today, we are going to have a look on this one, that how humans are playing their part in creating these AI inventions. So, let's go ahead. Alibaba, the Chinese tech giant, best known for its e-commerce empire, has been quietly developing AI-powered smart glasses. At first glance, they look like just another wearable gadget, but these glasses represents a deeper shift. AI is not running alone. Humans are working in the background to refine, correct, and ensure accuracy. This approach, human in the loop AI, might just be the secret to making smart glasses truly useful in everyday's life. So now let's have a look what are Alibaba's smart glasses. So what exactly do these glasses do? They combine augmented reality with AI-powered recognition. Imagine pointing your gaze at an object and getting instant product details. Or maybe walking through a market and the glasses translate signs and conversations in real time. Or maybe for people with low vision, the glasses can even describe surroundings aloud. This is not just about looking cool. It's about making your life easy. It's about merging shopping, communication, and accessibility into one wearable device. But here is the kicker. AI alone can't handle all the complexity. There were humans who came in to make it happen. So now, let's have a look at how humans are playing their role. Of course, that's a secret ingredient. So what does human in the loop mean? It's simple. AI systems make predictions, but humans are there to step in, review, correct mistakes, and feed better data back into the model. For example, we can explain these things with few examples. The glasses might looks like a product, but a human annotator correct it, teaching the AI the right label, because AI never do this alone. Real-time translation may be clunky. Human translator refine them so the system learns natural phrasing. Another example is just like that, safety and cultural context. Humans flags inappropriate or misleading output the AI might miss. This creates a feedback loop. AI gets smarter because humans guide it. Without this, smart glasses could be unreliable and frustrating. Now, let's have a look at what is the reason behind this. Why Alibaba choose human AI collaboration. Alibaba knows that in the world of commerce, accuracy is equal to trust. If the glasses show the wrong product info, shoppers won't use them. If translations are off, user will abandon them. If the accessibility feature don't work reliably, people won't depend on them. By combining AI speed with human oversight, Alibaba ensures these glasses stay useful, reliable, and trustworthy. This hybrid approach might also help Alibaba scale smart glasses faster, because every human correction is training data for future version. and I must say that's a long-term approach. Now, use cases that could change everyday life. We will going to have a look at how these glasses are going to change our daily life. Let's have a look on some examples that how it can be used. Shopping assistant, point at shoes, and the glasses pull up sizes, prices, and reviews from Alibaba's marketplace. Number 2, real-time translation, perfect for travelers navigating foreign cities. Number 3, accessibility, helping visually impaired users recognize faces, objects, and locations. In logistics and warehouses, worker can scan items just by looking at them, speeding up Alibaba's supply chain. In education, instant visual translation of textbook or classroom materials. They are not science fiction anymore. Alibaba is positioning its glasses to be the next smartphone level disruption, and it actually sounding like that. Now let's have a look on the bigger picture. That means future of human in the loop AI. What Alibaba is doing here reflects a bigger truth about AI. AI is not replacing human. It's working with human and in fact depends on them to reach its full potential. Human in the loop system are popping up everywhere, from autonomous cars that still need safety drivers to medical AI that requires doctor approval. Alibaba's smart glasses are just one example, but they highlight a future where humans and AI from a partnership, not a competition. So, the next time you hear someone says AI is replacing us, remember Alibaba's smart glasses. Behind the futuristic lenses, there is a many army of humans teaching, correcting, and improving the AI. The future is not AI versus human. It's AI plus human. So, would you wear AI-powered smart glasses if human was secretly helping them to run in the background? Let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share with others and comment below your thoughts. I will come back again with another AI invention. Till the time, goodbye.